Welcome back. After spending the night here, everything is fine, but we can make this house more comfortable. Let's see, we will figure out that. Today we are planning to add some new cars in this garage. Let's do the cold start. We will try to buy a practical car. That whenever we come in the forest we can drive that. Then there will be no headache of bringing an SUV or 4x4 car. Whatever cars we want, we came on that day. Then we left the car here and went for a campaign in any car which are here. I have a plan of at least adding 3 cars here, different segments. One will be SUV, one will be a truck. Let's see. Latest start from the nearest dealership. Let's see what is available here. From every dealership I own almost all cars. So if they have something new, then only we will have the option. Nothing from this side. Wait, is that a Suzuki mini truck? So, compact and cute. I like this mini truck. I am just buying it. No need for a test drive. What the hell? Dealership gave me a dirty car. No worries, we will wash it. The car has very low RPM. Shifting gears so fast. No worries, we will fix that also. This car has a limiter on 150. No worries, we will fix that also. After tuning it will hit more than 300. Let's clean it first. Then we will go to the workshop. Our mini truck is clean and ready for mod. Today I have a fantastic idea for this car modification. Just wait and watch. I had already thought about what I have to do. Mini truck. Today I will show you the skills. Finally we reached the workshop. Guys, our mini truck is ready. Do you want to see how it looks? Here it is. Let me close the door first. Our mini truck fully loaded. JDM specs. Fully customized. Stage 6 tune. With sound buffer and floor lighting. Closing the window for a better look. Now see it. What's your opinion? Share with me. Did I miss anything? Oh, sorry, it's a right-hand drive. Because it's AJDM. Let's take it to the farmhouse. Look at the backfires. I make this mini truck a monster truck. The only problem in this car is very low. I only keep it low because I want to give it a JDM look. Let's see its power. Almost 290. I know it will easily go 300. Finally we reached the farmhouse. The only thing I am worried about that it will be stuck. But it didn't get stuck. Too much time to park it. Looking good in the garage. Tomorrow we will buy another car. Like, share, comment, subscribe.